Just a little bit of swing down the line there. So this is Wasim Akram. Paul Gilchrist having a go, trying to hit him into the stands down there by the scoreboard. Oh, he's beaten him. That's 2 deliveries so far in this Pakistan performance against Australia that have beaten the batsman all ends up. This one, look at that, hitting the seam, just moving away and beating the outside edge. That's a great delivery. It really is. And look at the bounce there. And of course the last ball of the last over Shoaib was an absolute peach. It was him again. Oh, beats Hayden, beats him outside off stump, played at that one too. That's 3 now, 3 that have beaten the bat. There's for the first 10 overs or so, it'll be beautiful, but this is a good delivery.
This is quality stuff from Wasim Akram. Now he's getting that lovely length. Matthew Hayden neither forward nor back, beaten by that little bit of movement.
Wasim Akram continuing. Through to the keeper. The end, is that the end of the over? No, it's not. Yes, 2 wide so far. Officially steered away down to third man, and well, Shoaib's on the ground, but he's managed to stop it. I think he slipped down there. The end of the over, it's 12 for 1. This is Wasim Akram again, this time to Ponting. A long way forward, looking for one. A little slow taking off. There's a shy at the other end. He was home. Cheeky single. All through to the keeper. That beat the outside edge.
Good running, good calling. Hayden for an instant wasn't sure what had happened to it, but Ponting just took off as soon as he's just going to bobble up in the air.
Plenty of time too. Might have been a little inside edge onto that front pad, but he made sure of where it was and where it can go. Ponting's on the way down. Hayden knows he's got plenty of time. Once again, Wasim Akram up.
The Australian nerves weren't helped by the...
Real keen. Hayden this time flashing outside off stump. Through to Latif again.
Might get 1 off the bat, 2 off the bat, or it might finish up leg byes. David Shepherd says leg byes. Little solace for the bowler. No ball call there from umpire Shepherd.
Well, Wasim Akram, he's been trying to get this one to swing from leg, and Matthew Hayden's been able to flip him around the leg side, play shots. He's whacked one of these down the ground once before. Look at that swing. He's planted the front foot, looking to play a square drive and muscle it once again.
Clever bowling. Wide of the bowling crease. It's on.